Yes, so my people, welcome back to another edition here on Gospel News. We make sure that you are updated on daily basis so you will know what is going on. Another update don't drop from Simon Ekpa, the Oga Patakpata of Biafra Liberation Army and the Prime Minister for the Republic Government in Exile. He say all these military helicopters will be said in the crash around the country. Say that the Biafra Liberation Army under his command are responsible. Say that the Biafra Liberation Army has been given the power to fire anything wey be say they fly in the air. This is coming after an Islamic cleric from the northern part of Nigeria claimed that the Nigerian military has never for once mistakenly bombed any of the citizens in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Simon Ekpa responded to the man that all the military fighter jet that has been deployed to the southeast to bomb innocent civilians were repelled, and majority of them has been crippled and can never fly again after they flew back to their bases. E no go good say only me go dey talk this matter. I go still drop the video so that una go use una ears dey hear the matter direct from the horse's mouth. He said that the news agencies of Nigeria has refused to report these matters to make it official that the Biafra Liberation Army has been doing wonders in the southeastern part of the country. He also sounded a note of warning to all the intending Nigerian Air Force helicopters that are planning to come to the southeast to harm any of the innocent citizens of Biafra, that they will collect woto anytime when they put head enter the region. And as e be now, the government of Nigeria don't enter inside panic because of this revelation when e make. I no go wan talk too much because e go come be like say na me wan take the whole time. Make una pay attention to this video when I go drop for now. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you and God bless you.
Okay, we must continue. Thank you so much. Thank you. The Islamic State people are crying that the military are yet to bomb southeast by mistake, and they don't know how they have been bombing and are shooting at them when they come to bomb. You know, all of them pretend they don't know what is going on. This man is here shouting that military yet to bomb southeast by mistake. So let them, they don't know that they have been coming to bomb, but we are fighting them every day. Every day they come, they throw bomb, we fight them. And they go back. Most of the helicopter that you see exploding is the injury we gave them. In Biafra land. They fly, and then when they go back to their base, they explode there. Yes. And it's happening. Put more discretion and let me respond to this cleric. Okay.
Thank you, ZPM.
Yes, our attention has been called to the comment coming from Islamic cleric from Sokoto-based Islamic cleric, who said that the military yet to bomb southeast by mistake. I want to respond to him that the military has been bombing southeast, but we are fighting them and repelling them every day. Many helicopters have exploded. Many helicopters have sustained a very powerful injury that they cannot fly again. That's a result of the Biafra Liberation Army fighting and shooting them from the ground. So anybody coming to mock us that they are yet to bomb southeast, they have been bombing southeast every day. This whole thing has been happening in secret because it is not on the media, because the media deliberately don't want to talk about it. So I want to respond to the Sokoto people and to the northern group that the military, not by mistake, but deliberate act of war, has been bombing the southeast, but we are repelling them every day. I will repel them. Every day they come, we will repel them. We will repel them on the ground. We will repel them on the sea, as you can hear from the Gulf of Guinea. We will also repel them from the air. So those thinking that they are not bombing southeast, you are just joke. It is either you are lying to yourself or you just don't want to listen to what is happening in the southeast. They come to bomb southeast every day, and they throw bomb on innocent citizens in the southeast. But the truth and the fact is that we are neutralizing their aircraft and their helicopter every day they come. That's what I want to say today. Thank you.
You need the
share it so we get
Is the screen showing up there?
Yes, Yes.
All right. We must continue. Our PM have addressed their idiosyncrasy already. So they need to wake up.
Under the confused.
You're telling us right now that they have an Aŕmy in somewhere in
Osmogu.
It's Osmogu and Akuihube. Good. We want to believe you. And what the military could do is to go bomb those areas. And then you saw them when the balls of fire was going out, they were running away. And you didn't ask yourself, are those really IPOB or people who occupy, who live in these places? So now help us understand this. This is why I'm painting this picture. Where was the police? Where was the military? How did this weapon, we don't produce arms in this country. How did this weapon come into Nigeria? Where was the police? Where was the customs? Where was the immigration? Where was the Nigerian police force? When these people came in and accessed the community and occupied their forests, nothing was done. I'm saying this because I'm first a humanist before any other thing. We don't know who the people who are being killed. We don't have an identity. But we'll see that in the news. We'll hear every day that people are being killed. Do you have an idea now how these people can access a community, get into their bushes, get to lead past the homes? Nobody saw them. They get in there, have their formation, do what they want to do until it gets time for the military. Nobody says anything. Then it's time the military just comes and bombs.
Vivian, you see, the question you throw to the public, I think it is better answered by the public. But the ones who will do justice to here will do justice to it. Now look at. In the recent, I will not in any way say that the Nigerian military or Air Force is not or should not do their work. They should do their work. But where I have issues is in the mischievous accusation they will always label on anybody they want to destroy. From the look of things, we are hearing about IPOB, we are hearing about ESN, and at a point we started hearing about the unknown gunmen. IPOB has come to say, we don't know this unknown gunmen, and government say unknown gunmen is IPOB. We have had the leader of IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, telling people, saying it that we are not violent. We are not violent. And you see the time they proscribed these people as terrorists. They were without arm. They were simply making a demand. And they proscribed them and called them terrorists. Even when Fulani herdsmen who brandishes their AK-47, which is only licensed to be used by combatant soldiers, that not even police can use it, not even a private soldier can use it, but we see herdsmen brandishing it all over, and they were not tagged terrorists. And these ones without weapon were tagged terrorists.
And look at the name they coined now. Look at the name they coined now. Operation Udoka. Which Udoka? Is it the Udo the people are looking for or the Udo you are looking for? Because I will say that whatever grievance the IPOBs or the ESN will be throwing out now is caused by the government of Nigeria. And now you say you are bombing their hideout. Just like the question you asked, what does their hideout look like? Can anybody see their hideout? Please, if you say you're acting on intelligent report, because if you go to Southeast, we don't live like the Northerners. Most of the villages are under big Iroko tree. And these villages will go down under heavy bombardment. And you come out to tell the media that you have bombed the ESN and the IPOB hideout. If you are saying you are bombing ESN hideout, I will understand with you because of the name security attached to them. But why bombing IPOB, indigenous people of Biafra? Why bombing them? When they don't even have guns, they don't have weapons. You are coming with heavy weapons to fight somebody with a bare hand. It is quite difficult to understand. So I will say, this bombing you have bombed in
Alright, oh my people, as una don't watch the video finish, make una drop on a comment under the comment section, oh, and don't forget to touch the share button so that this video can reach to the ends of the earth. As we take CM for here, now so we take the talk.